Hello, welcome back again to my channel, Dacty for You. Thank you so much for the love and the support. I appreciate it so much. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you how I make this simple, amazing and yummy spinach stew. It's so yummy and I know you are going to love it. Let's get started. So I start by boiling my spinach. So if you don't have spinach, you can use cocoyam leaves, that is contomere. So boil your spinach for about 10 minutes and then turn your heat off. So at this time it was around 10 minutes and I'm going to just turn the heat off and drain it. So here I'm blending my ginger, garlic, onions, pepper, and then my sweet peas. Yes, I'm using sweet peas in this recipe, so that is the secret. It's so yummy. So in a saucepan, add in your oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, red oil, any oil of your choice. So add it in and then add in your sliced onions, your salted tilapia, and give it a stir. So please, if you are here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the notification bell, subscribe so that you won't miss any of my uploads. So fry that for about 3 to 5 minutes and then add in your tomato paste. So what I just add in is my tomato paste. It was frozen, so that was why it's looking like cubes like that. So you add it in and then make sure to fry it in the oil for about 4 minutes. So this is after 4 minutes, and at this time I'm going to add in my fresh chopped tomatoes. So this is about 2 big tomatoes that I chopped. You can use canned tomatoes, it will all work. So fry that and then cover it and let it be on fire for about 2 minutes. So this is after 2 minutes and this is how it's looking like. Yeah, it's looking all nice and beautiful. I'll please make sure to check the description box, as I'm going to leave all the ingredients and their measurement in the description box. So this is at this time I'm seasoning my stew. So add in your favorite seasoning at this time and then give it a stir at this time. After you add in your seasoning, go ahead and at this time add in the blended mixture that you blended earlier, that is the pepper, the beans, the sweet peas, and ginger, garlic. Add everything in at this time. Yes guys, the sweet peas in this recipe takes the recipe to a different level. It's so yummy. The sweet peas will make the food not only yummy but delicious, nutritious. So at this time what I'm just adding in is my powdered shrimp. Yeah, you can add in your shrimp powder to the stew at this time. And I'm telling you, this is so nutritious for everybody in the family. Yes. So add your shrimp in and then fry that for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, go ahead and then add in your mushrooms. I'm using mushrooms in this recipe and I'm using oyster mushroom. You can use any mushroom of your choice. So add that one in and then give it a stir. After you stir it, cover it and then let it be on fire for about 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook your mushrooms. Yes, you don't want to overcook it. So this is about 4 minutes and this is how it's looking like. Just look at it. And I'm telling you, this was so yummy. It was so delicious. And I know you are going to love it because everybody in my family loves this stew. So I know you are going to love it. So after 3 minutes, at this time, just create a hole in the middle of your stew and then add in your eggs. So we are using eggs for this recipe. If you don't want eggs in your recipe, it's okay, you can do without eggs. So as I always say, take the recipe, make it your own. Take what you don't like and add what you like to the stew. and you are going to just love it. So add it in and then cover it and lower your heat. Let it be on fire for about 5 minutes on a very low heat so that you will not burn your stew. Now gently scramble the eggs in the stew. You don't want it too smooth, you want it scrambled in your stew, so gently do that and then let it be on fire for about 1 minute. Yeah, after you scramble it in, let it be on fire for about 1 minute. So after 1 minute, add in your spinach to the stew. So what I did to my spinach is that after I drain it, I just cut them into chunks. You can cut them smaller. I wanted it to be chunky, so that is what I did. Yeah, the reason why I always boil my spinach before I cut is that it makes it so simple and so easy to cut everything, and it's fast. So now stir it in the stew and let it be on fire for about 5 minutes and you are all done. So here our stew was all done and it was looking so yummy. You can pair this with rice, banku, and pesi, that is yam, plantains, anything of your choice, any swallow. Thank you all so much. God bless you. Stay safe and stay out of trouble. Until we meet again. Bye.